This is the bunk house, all built by Gary. It's his home away from home. A lot of these antennas and stuff have gone up over the past 2 or 3 years. Gary had a single tower, and now he's got several towers. And those little ring guy units are actually truck tire rims cut in half. All engineered by Gary. And if you notice, the guy wire posts are strategically positioned on both sides of the building, also in the middle, in which to anchor the guy wires for all the towers. You got a few further out for the taller tower, but basically it. And there's the 2-meter array that also has pitch capability.
The tower turns inside the guy wires. We use a winch motor driving a John Deere sprocket. John Deere doesn't know that they use that, but there's a few ball bearings, 1-inch balls, sitting on top of a piece of pipe with a cap on it that makes the base bearing. This is adjustable, tighten the chain. And then on up the tower are the microwave dishes.
How critical are the dishes as far as their degree of beam width?
Oh, the beam width on 1296 is about total left to right 10 degrees. So it's pretty tight.
And explain real quick your tower bearing system that you use for your guy wires.
Oh, the bearings are tire rims cut and then with some steel wheels to provide the frictionless turning. They cost about $30 a piece.
Compared to the commercial version?
$1,500.
So definitely
we've been through major
multi-contest station.
Absolutely. Microwave in the 2-meter tower, except it uses a prop pitch motor to do the turning, and that has enough power to just auger that whole tower into the ground. Those things are powerful. Same kind of bearings, made out of truck rims. There's a tri-band beam up there, and there are 4 antennas, 4 19-element antennas on 220, and 4 same kind of antennas, just different frequency, but for 432.
And you've got pitch capability on 222 as well?
That has elevation capability, yes.
Yeah, elevation. Okay. And what's the total height of this tower?
80 feet.
80 feet. Pretty nice setup.
Oh, wait a minute. That's 90 feet. 90 feet. I have the 2 on the other side. The 2-meter tower is an 80-footer, and the microwave tower is 80 feet.
Okay, we're looking at the 6-meter rotating tower system. The entire tower rotates at the ground, driven by a large prop pitch motor at the base. The rotating guy collars are homebrew, made by KB0HH. His original design and the fabrication right here at the bunkhouse. And we'll have some more on that later. On the very top of the tower we have a 6-meter J-pole that's used for some omnidirectional work and some local work. The main antenna system is a stacked pair of homebrew antennas built by Gary. They're 40-foot booms with 8 elements each, stacked centered at about 85 feet. The original design was done by Gerald Williams, K5GW from Texas Towers, and modified and tweaked by Gary. The system works very well, as you can imagine. And down below the 6-meter stack is a single 10-meter 5-element 24-foot boom antenna that we use occasionally when we do a little HF contesting around here, just playing around. And that's pretty much covers the 6-meter tower. Okay, here we're looking at the 2-meter rotating tower system. It's also a Roan 45 tower. The main H-frame up at the top, 4 M-squared 2M12. They're 19.5-foot 12-element 2-meter antennas. Also has elevation control on it when we want to work a little moon bounce or meteor scatter. Down below that we have 2 old Cushcraft 11 elements stacked vertically that we use for FM work, and we have a lot of local rovers on FM here, so and they get out pretty good. Tower's rotated at the base by electric winch and chain drive system, and we'll see the controls inside the shack here in a moment.